Located in Dallas, Texas, Krestmark Industries produces vinyl and aluminum windows and doors for over 400 home builders, distributors, and lumber yards in 11 states. We can provide homeowners with quality, Energy Star-rated window and door products. Let's take a look at how one of our premium vinyl windows is manufactured. It all starts with our friendly and knowledgeable customer service and support staff. Orders are turned in for long-range or out-of-state deliveries according to a set cutoff for production date. The orders are entered into our computer database and custom-designed production programs. They are then combined with existing orders and released to the production floor. Krestmark also features an online quoting and ordering system, which helps eliminate errors during the ordering process. Our state-of-the-art manufacturing facility encompasses 300,000 square feet under one roof, enough to house over 5 football fields within its walls with room to spare. The facility is subdivided into 7 key areas: raw material storage, insulated glass production, vinyl and aluminum frame assembly, glazing, final product storage, and shipping to our local home builder accounts and to Krestmark's multi-state distributor network. At Krestmark, all of our production lines speak to each other on both a human and digital level. This combination of computer automation and human interaction ensure that we can provide you, the end user, with a consistent quality product that is shipped from our facility correctly and on time. This type of window is called a single hung. It is the most traditional and widely used style of window in our market. The window operates by unlocking the sash locks located on the sash rail and gently pulling up on the sash, which also tilts for ease of cleaning. To build the window frame, the factory begins with 16-foot lengths of extruded vinyl. All extrusions are inspected and certified by the American Architectural Manufacturers Association, known as AAMA, to meet industry quality standards. Extrusions are run through a purpose-built sawing station. The lengths are cut according to a computer-optimized production schedule to ensure delivery times and to reduce scrap. The same area of the production floor also cuts the pieces for the sash, the operating portion of the window around the glass. Each frame is made from 4 pieces whose ends are mitered at a 45-degree angle. We then load multiple pieces into a computer-guided welding machine. Our machines are capable of welding up to 4 individual frames simultaneously. First, and most importantly, squaring blocks are used to ensure the unit is welded square. Should the pieces be out of tolerance by more than 1/8 of an inch, the machine will not weld the unit. Then a heating block, whose temperature is 480 degrees Fahrenheit, melts the ends. The machine then pushes them together. They fuse, forming the frame's 4 corners. As the melted ends bond under pressures, excess vinyl spills out at the joints, then hardens. The frames are now a welded, watertight, solid piece and ready for cleanup. The corner cleaner, seen here, removes the excess vinyl at the welded joints. A robot reads the profile of the specific frame style, then uses one of several cutting heads to shave the excess off the corners. From here, the sash and frame go to another area to receive locks and other necessary hardware. While the vinyl parts are being processed, the glass is cut to size. We start with a huge sheet of glass measuring about 72 inches by 84 inches. It's very heavy, more than 60 pounds, so we lay it on a specially designed table. Large blowers send up air through tiny holes in the table's surface. This floats the glass just above the surface, making it easy to move around. The glass is scored using one of two computer-controlled optimizer tables. The optimizer is used for special shapes and uncommon-sized windows. A computer calculates the scheduled sizes for 1 week's worth of production and chooses how many pieces can optimally be cut out of each single larger sheet called billet, thus reducing waste. The same machine uses a separate apparatus to shave off excess LowE to ensure a proper sealing of the insulated glass unit. After the glass has been scored, we separate the usable piece from scrap. The scrap is then recycled. The usable glass is checked for flaws and sent to our glass washers. The glass is washed using pressurized, deionized water at 140 degrees Fahrenheit to ensure no dirt or debris is present in between the panes of the final product. Krestmark uses several different warm edge technology spacers for improved energy efficiency. For more common size windows, Krestmark uses its state-of-the-art Intercept line. This particular production line is almost entirely computer automated and creates multiple spacer frames and insulated glass units per hour to coincide with the specific schedule of sizes needed for that day. On the other end of the glass department, our warm-edge Duralite spacers are hand-applied to larger or uncommon-sized and shaped units. Let's take a look at how this is done. Some windows feature decorative gridwork called muntin bars. These are created on this computer-automated machine to produce perfectly fitted internal pieces made of aluminum. Muntins are placed between the two panes of glass. This insulated glass unit will have insulated LowE glass with argon gas in between for added energy efficiency. One of the panes has a transparent metallic coating to reflect the heat back to its source, known in the industry as LowE. This helps reduce energy bills in the winter and the summer. After the glass exits the press, argon gas is pumped through a small hole created in the top of the spacer. A needle valve is inserted at the top of the pane, and the gas flow is carefully monitored. The speed of the gas flow is critical. Using a computer-guided pumping station, which measures the gas content, the argon is pumped in and the air is pumped out. Argon is heavier than air. Natural flow pushes the air out. This improves the overall U value by as much as 13%. Argon fill percentage is independently tested periodically. After sealing the hole, the unit is now ready to be combined with the vinyl frame. Silicone backbedding adhesive is evenly distributed along the frame where the insulated glass will be inserted. Then, a piece of PVC called glazing bead is added for a clean finished look. We snap it in place using a non-marring mallet, so no scratches are made on the final product. This combination ensures that no stress cracks are possible with a vinyl unit. The window is given company labeling that includes manufacturer-suggested installation instructions and NFRC energy ratings information for that product. Finally, the window is checked for smooth and proper operation, with both sash locks closed, locked in place, and shipping clips installed. After a quality control inspection, the window then moves to inventory storage in preparation for delivery. We hope you've enjoyed viewing our manufacturing process and hope that next time you're looking to build a project with windows in mind, Krestmark Industries is your choice.